Is that copper silver? Oh my gosh, Cop, are you ready? Come here. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I am so sorry that it has been so long, or not so long, I guess a few weeks since my last vlog. I don't know what it is, if it's like the weather. This sounds so silly, but if it's the weather being gloomy and cold, it's like uninspiring, there's not much going on, we're in the house a lot, I don't know what it is, but today it is 64 degrees right now in Knoxville, and it is giving me life, and it made me want to vlog. So I hope you guys liked my little morning aesthetic routine that I did this morning. I had a light day of work. Today's Friday, so I got most of my stuff done during the week, and then Fridays are kind of like hit or miss depending on how much work that I have for the content creation business. Today it's like lunchtime, and I decided to take Copper to my favorite place in the world to walk around Knoxville, Sequoia Hills. If you guys are in the Knoxville area or familiar with it, Sequoia Hills, I feel like a lot of people know. I didn't know about it until I started working close to here a lot, and people would always tell me that there's tons of really good, it's like a massive neighborhood, but it's not even just a neighborhood, it's like a little community. Like there's a school in the middle, I'm outside the coffee shop right now, there's a restaurant, there's a few restaurants, there's like a gym. It's like the cutest little community, and there's tons of gorgeous houses, but I personally like the old southern, like colonial style houses, and they have tons of them here. Anyways, this is a rant, but we're in Sequoia Hills, so we're gonna do a little walk real quick. And then I actually had this new place in Knoxville called Playa Bowls reach out to me to create some content for them. So that's another reason why I'm out here. We're gonna take a little walk, and then I'm gonna go to Playa Bowls to create some content for them, just for like TikTok and Instagram. Sorry for the trucks driving by, but that's what we're doing today. And I feel like there's so much to update you on. Like the past few weeks have been so nuts. We ended up moving, which I know you guys, if you watch the vlogs throughout the week, you definitely know by my morning routine this morning, we're not in the same house that we've been in. Dana and I ended up moving a few weeks ago to this old farmhouse. The house that we were building, we decided a few months ago that we're not gonna build there at this moment right now, just because of contractor things and the cost of everything going up like triple to what we originally thought. So we decided to kind of take a step back, and we always have the property to build on. I guarantee you at some point in the future we will be building on it. It's family land, so we will build there at some point, but we wanted to kind of take a step back, and that's why we're in the new house. I'm slowly decorating to make it feel more like a home. It's an old farmhouse, and we are on tons of land, so, but it is so adorable, so cozy. Dane and I are so happy there for the time being. And yeah, so there's tons of new content coming, but yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's go on this cute walk. I'll show you guys around Sequoia if you've never been here, just to kind of like see. And let's get this girl walking because she's ready to go. I'm so obsessed with that house. I think it's the cutest little house ever. Couldn't really talk in there. I tried to make a video. I don't even know if I'll put it in. It was so crowded and loud, but we got the goods, and I obviously already ate a little bit of it, and it is so good. So like I said, if you are familiar with Rosemary Beach, you know the Playa Bowls down there. That's how I knew about it, and I was like, absolutely, I will film content. But look how beautiful. Hold on. Can you see? Like, it looks beautiful. It tastes amazing. I ended up getting, so they have different bases you can choose from. They have like a pitaya base, coconut base, acai, obviously like regular base. I think there's like oatmeal and yogurt too, and then you can add the toppings. Going with the coconut, it's always been my favorite. Just period. I love coconut. And they top it with this one with banana, almond butter, coconut flakes, granola. I think that's it. Honey. It's so good though. I don't know if you can tell on this, but it is so good. And they put the granola on the bottom. Definitely try Playa Bowls. I 110% recommend anytime, or I guess Rosemary Beach 30A if you're ever over there. It is amazing. I have a 30-minute drive home, and I want to save some for Dane so he can try, but I don't know if this is gonna melt, so.